If you've ever stared at your garden beds wondering why the soil feels dead, compacted, or just plain exhausted, get ready, because what you're about to discover might completely change how you revive tired soil forever. 2 everyday kitchen scraps you've probably tossed in the trash are actually powerful soil healers. And in today's Crop Corner Deep Dive, we're putting them head to head to see which one brings dead soil back to life faster and how you can use both to rebuild your garden's fertility from the ground up. Dead soil isn't just dry earth, it's land stripped of microbes, organic matter, and minerals, the very things that give life to your crops. To restore that living ecosystem, you need 2 types of support, something that feeds the soil instantly and something that rebuilds it long term. That's exactly where banana peels and eggshells enter the picture. They deliver completely different benefits, and when you learn how to use them correctly, they become one of the most effective natural soil revival systems you'll ever try. Think of banana peels as the spark plug your soil needs when everything looks dull, pale, or compacted. They're loaded with fast-releasing nutrients, especially potassium, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which soil microbes crave. When you introduce banana peels into lifeless soil, bacteria, fungi, and earthworms rush in almost instantly to break them down. That microbial activity is what wakes the soil up, turning hard clumps into loose, darker, nutrient-rich matter. For gardeners who need a quick revival, banana peel fertilizer tea is the fastest and most powerful method. Here's the formula used in today's test. Take 5 medium banana peels and chop them into small pieces. Place them in 1 liter of clean water inside a loosely covered jar, and let them ferment for 48 hours. Once fermentation is complete, strain the liquid and dilute it with another liter of clean water. Pour this directly around your crop's root zone, soaking the topsoil. Repeat every 7 to 10 days. This tea penetrates deep into the soil, feeding the microbes that have gone dormant from dryness or nutrient loss. Within 2 weeks, you'll see real changes. The soil becomes darker, drainage improves, and your plants start showing richer color. Banana peel fermentation also helps stabilize pH and improves water retention, an advantage for sandy beds that dry out too fast. The only catch? Banana peels work fast, but they don't work long. To get lasting structure and deeper soil stability, you need something that breaks down slowly. That's where eggshells take the lead. If banana peels are the short-burst energy drink, eggshells are the slow-burn superfood. Every eggshell is packed with calcium carbonate, a mineral powerhouse that's essential for root strength, soil structure, and long-term pH balance. But unlike banana peels, eggshells don't release nutrients quickly. They slowly dissolve as microbes and soil acidity break them down, feeding your soil for months rather than weeks. This slow release is what makes eggshells so valuable for gardens with compacted, crusted, or long-neglected soil. Calcium binds soil particles in a way that creates pockets of air. Those air pockets allow oxygen, microbes, and water to circulate freely, something dead soil desperately needs. To prepare eggshells properly, rinse them well, let them air dry and crush them into a fine powder. The finer the powder, the faster your soil can absorb the calcium. For standard soil healing, sprinkle about 50 grams of powdered eggshell per square meter, mixing it gently into the top 10 centimeters of soil before watering deeply. If you want a faster release, you can create an eggshell calcium tea. Boil 10 clean eggshells in 2 liters of water for 10 minutes. Allow it to cool fully, strain the liquid, then dilute it with another 2 liters of plain water. Apply this every 2 weeks. You know, the results aren't instant like banana peels, but they're really powerful. Root systems grow thicker, soil cracks start to disappear, and your garden becomes more resistant to those pesky nutrient fluctuations. So, if you're looking for immediate soil activity, banana peels are the way to go. They get those microbes moving within just a few days. But, on the other hand, if your soil needs some structural healing and long-term fertility, eggshells are the ones that truly dominate. Now, the real magic, though, happens when you use both. By combining banana peels and eggshells, you activate a complete soil restoration cycle. The fast sugars and potassium in banana peels awaken soil microbes. Those microbes then accelerate the breakdown of calcium in the eggshells. And that calcium, in turn, strengthens the microbial colonies, stabilizes the pH, and improves soil structure for months. Isn't that just fascinating? Here's the ultimate soil revival mix that gardeners everywhere are starting to swear by. Blend 5 chopped banana peels with 2 tablespoons of finely powdered eggshells in 1 liter of clean water. Let it sit for 48 hours. After that, strain it and dilute with another liter of water. Just apply once weekly. This combination feeds the soil instantly while rebuilding it slowly, giving you the fast results you want and the long-term fertility your garden needs. Most gardeners notice improvements in 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how dead the soil was to begin with. When banana peels and eggshells meet in the soil, something remarkable happens. The sugars from the bananas energize beneficial microbes. The calcium strengthens their colonies and stabilizes the soil environment. Together, they unlock bound nutrients buried deep in the soil. Your soil begins holding water better, crumbling softly between your fingers, and even smelling richer. These changes are clear signs that life has returned. Many gardeners throw whole banana peels or large chunks of eggshell into the soil, then, wonder why nothing changes. Whole peels rot slowly and attract pests, while big eggshell pieces can just sit in the soil for months untouched. Always chop peels finely, and powder your shells. Fermenting or boiling them really accelerates nutrient release. Another common mistake is overuse. Too much banana peel tea overloads potassium. Too many eggshells raise soil pH too fast. So, follow the formulas, stay consistent, and allow nature to work at its own pace. If you need fast results, choose banana peels. If you need lasting soil strength, choose eggshells. But if you want a garden that thrives season after season, combine them. One reawakens the soil, the other rebuilds it. Together, they transform dead dirt into living, breathing soil, ready to support your healthiest crops ever. Before you throw away your kitchen scraps, remember, every banana peel and eggshell you toss is a missed chance to revive your soil naturally and powerfully. If this guide helped you bring your soil back to life, make sure you subscribe to Crop Corner and share this video with fellow gardeners. Let's help every garden grow thriving, living soil again.